Okay, hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to find the GCD and LCM. Okay, so now first let's understand what is GCD. GCD is greatest common divisor. That means the greatest number with which the number can be divided. Okay, so suppose you are given two numbers 6 and let's say you are given 6 and 21. Okay, so the greatest number with which both the numbers can be divided is 3. So you can divide 6 by 3 and you can divide 21 by 3. So one easy method to find the GCD is you take 6 and then you write the multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? So 2 into 3 gives you 6, right? And those are the prime multiple, right? You cannot divide it any further, right? So those are the prime, these are prime. 2 and 3 is prime. Now you cannot break down further. 21 is 7 into 3. This is also prime, this is also prime. You cannot break down further. Now you need to take the greatest of this, greatest and common. So we have 3 common and that is the only greatest. So the GCD of 6 and 21, GCD of 6 comma 21 is 3. Okay, now let's take another example. Let's take 12 and 20. Okay, what is the GCD of this? So we're gonna do the same, right? What is the biggest number with which both can be divided? If you look at it, you can easily say that we can divide 12 by 4 and 20 by 4. But let's do this. Let's write the factors of 12. So 3 into 4 gives you 12, and you can still divide this 4 into further. 2 into 2 gives you 4. Now this is prime, this is prime, and this is prime. You cannot divide this any further. Same thing with 20. You can do 5 into 4, right? That gives you 20. You can divide 4 further. 2 into 2. Now this is prime, this is prime, this is prime. Now from this you need to find the greatest common divisor, right? So we have, so if we do something like this, okay, so that's 12 and that's 21, right? What are the factors of 12? We have 3 and then we have 2, right? And 21 we 20, and for 20 we have 5 and then 2. So this is the greatest, this is common and it's greatest, so that's 4, right? So the GCD of 12 and 20 is what? 4. Now let's do this. What is LCM? LCM is least common multiple. Least common multiple. Okay, so suppose you are given the same number, right? 6 and 21, and you are asked to find LCM. So you need to find a number that can be divided by 6 as well as 21. So if you look at this two number 42, 42 can be divided by 21, 21 2s are 42, and 21 times 2 gives 42, and 42 divided by 6. So 6 times 6 times 7 gives you 42. Now, how to find this LCM? The same thing, the same way you find the GCD, right? So we know the factors of 6 are 3 and 2, and the factors of 21 is 7 and 3, right? Now in order to find the LCM, you multiply all the factors, right? So you know factors of this is common like this, right? So you multiply all this 3 and you get an LCM. So 2 times 3 times 7, 3 times 2 6, 6 times 7 42. So that's your answer, right? Similarly, let's find the LCM for 12 and 20. So LCM for 12 and 20. So what we are going to do first? We are going to first find the factors of 12 and 20. So what are the factors of 12? 4 times 3 gives you 12. 2 times 2 gives you 4. And similarly 20. 4 times 5 gives you 20. 2 times 2 gives you 4. And then we are going to draw this. So that's 12, that's 20, and that's 3 times 4. So 2, those are the common, and then 5. So you multiply this, and this, and that gives you LCM. So 3 times 4 times 5 is the LCM, which is 3 times 4, 12, 12 times 5, 60. So the LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. So, I mean, we can take one more example. Let's take something like maybe 21 or maybe 22 and 22 and 11, right? So what is the GCD of 22 and 11? It's 11. And what is the LCM? Because if you write the factors of 22 is 2 and 11, and the factors of 11 is 1 and 11. So that's the GCD. And what is the LCM? 2 into 11, which is 22. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.